Hey guys, Kevin Swaney here from Tin Indian Performance. Thought we would take some time and do a little rear main seal tech. Today in this video we're going to tell you how you can determine what rear main seal you need for your 1964 through 1979 Pontiac engine. We're also going to talk about crankshaft serrations on the sealing surface, and last thing we'll talk about is whether or not installing our seal is advisable when the engine is in the car or not. So first things first, you need to determine which rear main seal you need to use, and at Tin Indian we color code our seals. Not sure if the lighting is good enough, but the 3-inch rear main seal is actually purple. The 3 1/4 inch rear main seal is black. That is how you can tell the two parts apart. We'll also show some pictures of the ends where they differ in thickness. So we sell our seals based on the main journal size and using original displacement figures. The 3-inch main is used in the 301, the 326, the 350, the 389, and the 400 cubic inch motors. The 3 1/4 inch main is used in the 421s, 428s, and of course the 455s. Now this got a little bit more complicated with the advent of the aftermarket blocks and crankshafts, because many people can build 505s, 510s, 535s, and even 565s. So to determine which seal you need to use with an aftermarket block, you will need to measure one of the main journals of your crankshaft using one of these two tools. That should get you close enough. Another way to confirm which seal you need is to measure the sealing surface of the crankshaft. This is the area behind the flinger ring. We'll show you that coming up here shortly. A 3-inch main will have a sealing surface of 3.188, and a 3 1/4 main crankshaft will have a sealing surface of 3.436. The sealing surface measurement is a very good measurement to have, as we will use it to determine the seal crush when we are actually installing the seal. I will make sure to post this information in the video description so that you can copy and paste it for future reference if you like. Alright guys, I'm going to jump in here and show you how we would measure this with a caliper. Again, you want to get one of the main journals. Doesn't really matter which one you are. This number 1 here is pretty easy for us to get to. Probably can't see that real well, but that's measuring 2.999 inches. Close enough for us to say that's a 3-inch main crank. We would subsequently need a 3-inch rear main seal for this application. The other measuring tool that I showed you earlier would go around the crankshaft like this. You get this thing in here, snug it down, and then you can actually see where you're at by using your caliper. Inside measurement, or you could probably get close enough here with a tape measure to determine exactly how big that main journal is as well. Okay guys, here's a little visual to tell you or tip you off that you have the wrong seal. This is a 3 1/4 seal here in a 3-inch main cap. The block that we were working on that we referenced earlier is a 3-inch main. So this is what a 3 1/4 inch main looks like in a 3-inch rear main cap. Not even close. These would need to be almost flush with the cap. So conversely, if you take a 3-inch main seal and you try to put it in a 3 1/4 inch cap, you'll see that this is sticking up way more than the instructions tell you it should. And if you also notice, it's not seated down here all the way into the cap. So that's just another way to let you know that you have the wrong piece. I will now show you what it looks like when they're both in their correct respective caps. As you can see now, we have the 3-inch main cap with the 3-inch seal installed in it. Almost flush here. Seal seats all the way down into the cap. Go over to the 3 1/4. Again, close to flush. Seal seated in the bottom of the cap. So here's an MR1 block that we are currently working on. This is an Ohio crankshaft that's sitting in this block right here. So here is our main journal that we would be measuring. This is our flinger ring, and this is the sealing surface of the crankshaft that we referenced. Again, guys, all these measurements here are approximates. You really don't need to be that accurate to determine which seal you need. This is a good measurement to get as accurate as you can, because this will tell us what our seal crush is when we do install the seal finally. As you can notice, we do not have a seal in here right now, but this is the location of where the seal would be. Okay guys, last item that I wanted to show you here was an up-close shot of the ends of the seals. Right hand side here we have the 3-inch seal, and as you can see, it's quite a bit beefier than the 3 1/4 inch, which is over here. Lighting's also a bit better in this shot, so you can see that the 3-inch rear main is purple, the 3 1/4 is black. So that about wraps this video up. If you need to purchase a seal, we will make sure to put the links to the online store down in the video description. Please check the like and subscribe buttons, and also make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notifications on future content that we post to the site. Hopefully you found this video useful and it helps you get that old Pontiac back out on the road. Thanks for watching. See you next time.